Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato from Faema, Canada, and today we're going to be learning how to change a filter on the Jura Z10. To change the filter on the machine, you'll notice you'll have a red, small rinsing symbol on the bottom left side of your screen. To start that process, you select that. That'll bring you to the main menu, at which point you will see a giant red, bold signal that says change the filter. You select that button. Once you select that button, you'll be starting the change the filter process. What you'll need to change the filter is a single Clear Smart filter. Now they come individually, single, or in 3-packs. Now, one of the tips that I have is first you're going to take your filter, remove it from the package, the brand new one, and rinse it underneath your sink for 30 seconds. Now, the reason we recommend this is because if you put in a dry filter, it just takes the machine a little bit longer to pull the water through. If you pre-rinse it, it's basically primed and the water will pull a lot quicker. It's easier to use a wet filter than a dry filter. Moving on through the process, the way it works is once you select change filter, the screen will indicate it is now time to change. You then remove your water tank, you're going to empty the water, and then remove the filter casing. This is done by turning it, removing it, pulling it out. There's 2 notches on it that you click. The piece comes apart into 2 separate pieces. You're going to take your new filter that's been pre-rinsed, put it inside, close it, put it back inside your water tank, refill the water tank, put it back on the machine, at which point the machine will self-rinse. It'll now pull water through the new filter, prime it, fill up its tray, eventually asking you to empty the grounds tray. You're going to take all that water that's been spent through it, put it back in, and you're done. And it's that simple to change the filter on the Jura Z10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Faema_Canada for some fun and cool content. And check out our website, www.faema.ca, for all your maintenance products needs.